Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. This is one very special Mazda MX5. Very limited edition, not many of these about at all. It is absolutely gorgeous. Finished in white metallic. The colour is absolutely gorgeous when the sun shines on it. Beautiful all the way around. Amazing find. Just taken in direct from the last owner in part exchange. Originally based on the Sport Tech, this is the Recaro edition. Registered in 2014 on a 64 plate with just 27,000 miles. We have a box full of receipts, service history, MOT. Just look at it. You'll only know how rare these are when you're trying to find another one like it. They just simply do not exist. And to make it even perfect, we've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated. So there is no damage, no marks, no scuffs on any of those. And we've put a complete set of brand new Avon tyres all round. Just to finish the car off. Just look at that gorgeous colour. Two litre, 160 brake horsepower. Those Recaro seats really do hug you in. All of them in great condition. No damage. Got a black metal folding roof. Leather sport steering wheel, multifunction, stereo controls, cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning, stereo CD, 27,214 miles, that's what it's done, 27,214. Very easy to operate the hood, 2 buttons there, very nifty how it all works. Very quick and easy. The bleep just indicates his operation. 1 click there. And there we have it with the hood up. Great fun car. They really have a massive following, these MX5s. Fun to drive, one of the most reliable cars on the road. So if you want this very rare Recaro edition, give us a call. Again, the black mirrors, the black roof. Two sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange always welcome. Click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website if you don't want to miss it. Full details at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700. Possibly a future classic collector's car, this one. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.